Welcome back to another video of Techy Pizza, guys. So in this video I'm gonna give you another Python basics. So in this video I'm gonna show you that how can you create a program which can tell the area of your circle. So this program will just take the radius of your circle, and this program will present to you the specific area of your circle according to your radius. So without wasting any time, let's spread technology. Here we've got a PC in front of us. So for making a program which can find the radius, which can find the area of a circle, first you gotta open ideally Python software. Ideally Python software, we got it right here. We're gonna open it and click on new file right over here to program your codes in the new file. So I've already opened a new file, so I don't need this Python shell now. I'm gonna code in this file now. So I've already saved it with the name Techy Pizza. It's right here if you can see. So I'm gonna write print this program can find the area of your circle. So this program can find the area of a circle. We're gonna end the brackets here. We're gonna end this bracket here, and let's move towards the second line. So the second line will be print. Please. Oh, sorry. I wrote both of those letters in capital. So here, please enter your. No, sorry. So we're gonna write, please enter the radius. So you must be thinking that why am I asking for a radius from the person, from the user? So actually radius is a must to find the area of any circle. So if you don't know, there's an equation in maths to find the area of any circle. So the equation is pi into radius into radius. So we can take pi as anything. We can take 22 over 7. We can even take 3.14, and yeah, only these two. So we're gonna write radius. Oh, sorry, the spelling of radius is bad. What exactly is happening to me? So we're gonna write radius. We're gonna put a colon. No, it's fine without a colon. Yeah, we're gonna end the brackets. So now we're gonna write. Now we're gonna form a variable. Yes, a variable, and that variable would be the radius. That radius would be filled in by the user who is using my program. So I'm gonna write radius is equal to int. So what exactly is int? Is integer. So this defines that the user will only input his value in the form of integers. The user will not even enter the value input the value within a string or a line. Yeah. So we're gonna write input so that the user can input his value in the form of integers. So now we're gonna open the brackets right here and write radius so that the user can understand that they're gonna enter their radius right after this colon. So now we're gonna close all the brackets. So we're gonna close two brackets here. One is for the input, and second is for the bracket of int, which contains input. Yeah. So I'm gonna press enter and make another variable which contains the area, which contains the formula of the area. So if you wanna calculate the formula, you gotta write the formula within the variable, and then you gotta print the variable right over here. So we have got area here, and we're gonna write 3.14 into radius into radius. So we've got two radius here. Oh, okay. I did a spelling mistake. I did a silly spelling mistake here. I wrote radius. That was a wrong spelling. Yeah. I read radius now. What the heck am I doing? That's correct now. That's more like it. So now we're going to close the brackets. And now we're going to print another dialog. So that the user should know that what exactly his area is. So now we're going to write, this is the area. So the user will be able to understand that what exactly is the area with this line. So it's just an accompanying line. I don't think it's necessary, but for me, everything is necessary. So I've written, this is the area. Now let's put a colon to give it a finishing touch. Yeah. So let's put a colon. I always like to give finishing touch. If you don't know, go and check out the channel Techy Pizza and subscribe it. Yeah. So now I'm gonna press enter. No. We're gonna print. Now we're gonna print the variable itself so that the user can take take a look at his area. If you have any problem with maths, then take a look at my program. You can also do it. Just watch this video. Yeah. So area. So we got our area here. We can press enter and we can save it. We can run it. But before that, we're gonna check a module. So I found no mistake here. So let's run the program now. Run module. This program can find the area of a circle. Please enter the radius. So we're gonna enter the radius right over here. So the radius is 89. Let's click on enter. Yeah. This is the area. So my area is 284871.9400. Infinite number of zeros. That's enough. And a 2 at the end. So here we are. I taught you the 4 basics of Python, in which I taught that how can you create a program which can find the area of a circle by just taking the radius from you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like this video, subscribe to the channel Techy Pizza, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and your family and anyone. Yeah. So finally guys, thank you for watching.